So at this point I've converted it all over to AN style. You can see I've done that on the water pump upper connection as well. This one I actually went ahead and painted, and now we're ready to move forward with installing this. So I'm going to go ahead and reassemble the thermostat, and then we can install this on the vehicle. And before I install this water pump onto the car, we're going to be doing all AN fittings, obviously. So we've removed the water connections on the side of the pump here, and we're going to go ahead and convert them over to AN fittings.